알아요. 알아요. What does it mean? This is one among the most common words that you will hear from K-dramas. Today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word 알아요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 152. 알아요. 알아요. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is ar, the second syllable is a, the third syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. 알아요. The word 알아요 is used to say, I know or I already know. This has a similar meaning with the word 알았어. Now, how do we write 알아요 in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable R in Hangul, we need to draw first a no-sound iyang or a placeholder iyang at the first position of the syllable, followed by an A character, followed by a real character. For the second syllable A, we need to draw first another iyang character, which serves as a placeholder, followed by an A character. Lastly, for the third syllable, we need to draw first an iyang character, followed by a yo character. Then, we just have to combine the hangul for each of these syllables to form the hangul of the word 알아요. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word 알아요, let's try to look into this example phrase. It says, I already know. The Korean translation of this phrase is also simply just 알아요 itself. Again, I already know is 알아요 in Korean. Just more information about 알아요. It came from the root verb 알다. The verb 알다 means to know. And this is transformed into 알아요 by removing da and adding ayo to make it in present tense form. So, 알다 becomes 알아요. And 알아요 is just the present tense form of the verb to know. Again, the method is, we will remove da from the root verb alda, and then we will add ayo. Al plus ayo is 알아요. And that is how 알아요 is formed. Going back to this, we should remember that although this is not a sentence, this is actually one of the most common phrases used in Korea. And we already know that it means, I already know. And with that, you've just learned 알아요. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 142 to 151. But don't forget, our word for today, 알아요, which means I know. Word number 151 is 아마도, which means maybe. Word number 150 is 잘 가요, and this is a phrase which means goodbye or go well. Word number 149 is 한 번, which means once. Word number 148 is sarang, and this is the Korean noun for love. Word number 147 is ajoma, and this is the Korean noun for an old woman of the same age as our mother. Word number 146 is 아저씨, and this is the Korean noun for an old man which is of the same age as our father. Word number 145 is imo, and this is the Korean noun for aunt. Word number 144 is samchon, and this is the Korean noun for uncle. Word number 143 is jame, and this is the Korean noun for sister. And the last for our review is word number 142, Yongjae, and this is the Korean noun for brothers. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 67. 알았어, 알았어. The Korean word for today is 알았어, and this is an informal way of saying, alright, I understand, or understood. How do we write 알았어 in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. For the first syllable, al, we need to draw first a no sound iyong followed by an a character followed by a real character. For the second syllable, at, we need to draw first a no sound iyong followed by an a character followed by a sang siot character. For the last syllable, o, we need to draw first a no sound iyong followed by the o character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these 3 syllables to form the Hangul of the word 알았어. The word 알았어 is also from the word alta, which is our word for today. And it's important to take note that 알았어 is the past tense form of alta. Alta is transformed into 알았어 by removing da and adding asо to the remaining verb. So that al plus asо, it becomes 알았어. If you remember, there is a set of rules to be followed to know the suffix that will be added to a verb. It's the same case for past tense. We will choose between asо or oso depending on the last vowel sound of the remaining verb. So here's the set of rules. If the last vowel sound of the remaining verb stem is a or o, we will add aso. If the last vowel sound of the verb stem is not a or o, we will use oso. And then aside from adding aso or oso depending on the last vowel sound, we can also add yo to make it a bit more polite. So since the last vowel sound of al, which is the remaining verb stem, is a or o, we'll be adding aso. So al plus aso is 알았어, and that is the past tense form of alta. And with that, you've just learned 알았어. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 57 to 66. But don't forget our word for today, word number 67, 알았어, which means, alright, I understand. The first word for our review is word number 66, alta, which means to know or to understand. Next word for our review is 괜찮습니다. This is a formal way of saying it's okay. Next word is 괜찮아, and this is an informal way of saying it's okay. Next word is 웃다. This is a verb which means to smile or laugh. Next word is 마시다. This is another verb which means to drink. Next word is 먹다. This is another verb which means to eat. Next word is 갑시다. This is a formal way of saying let's go. Next word is gacha, and this is an informal way of saying let's go. Next word is ulta. This is another verb which means to cry. And the last word for our review is word number 57, hada. This is a verb which means to do. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.